Chapter 16. How we communicate. Learning objectives. Communication in the past. Modern means of communication. Mass communication. The process of sending and receiving messages is called communication. People also exchange ideas and information through communication. Communication can be done orally or through writing, action, signs or symbols. Communication in the past. Early men used actions, signs and symbols to communicate. Then came language, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking are the most common methods of oral communication. People used drums or gave smoke signals to announce a message. When people learned to write, they began to use homing pigeons to carry the messages which were tied to their legs. This was called pigeon post. Later, messages were carried by men or horseback, but all these methods were time-consuming and not reliable. Modern means of communication. Today, it is easy to send and receive messages by email, by post or by courier. You can talk to people far away over the phone. The newspaper at your doorstep informs you about the happening around the world. At home, you can watch news on television or listen to it on the radio. You can also use fax and the internet to send or receive messages from others. All these means of communication are an integral part of our life. We can choose how we want to communicate with a person or with a few people. This is called personal communication. Here are some ways we communicate with others. Postal service. The postal service of our country is called India Post. There are nearly 1,55,000 post offices throughout the country. We buy stamps, inland letters, postcards, stamped envelopes and aerograms from a post office. We also send letters, postcards and greeting cards to our relatives and friends by post. These are carried by buses, trains, aeroplanes and sometimes even by ships. They reach their destination in a few days. Fact file. An address has a 6-digit PIN code. PIN stands for postal index number. It is useful to sort the letters city-wise and to deliver them to the correct address. If we want letters and parcels to reach someone very quickly, we use speed post. These reach in any part of the country in 2 or 3 days. We can also send money to someone through the post office. Fact file. The telegram service, which thrived for 163 years in India, became redundant due to the development of the better technologies. Telephone. People use telephone to talk to others. It is a fast means of communication. Mobile phones allow us to communicate even while we are traveling. Nowadays there are mobile phones that have many features. They are called smartphones. We can use smartphones to do the following: make and receive calls, send and receive messages, click photographs and record videos, listen to music, watch songs and movies, surf the internet, read e-material like newspapers, magazines and books, send and receive emails, use apps such as WhatsApp, Twitter, Qoo, Facebook and Instagram. Fax. Fax machines are also available for the use of public. People can send written messages, types messages and pictures immediately to the required destination through the fax machines. Internet and email. The internet has changed how people communicate. People use it on their computers, laptops, tablets or smartphones. They read e-books, send messages, see photographs and watch videos over the internet. Many people also use email to keep in touch with relatives, friends and co-workers. An email is very fast and can be sent anywhere. Mass communication. In order to communicate with a large number of people at the same time, we use mass media. Newspaper, magazines, radio, television and cinema are important means of mass communication. These means of communication keep us aware of what is happening in and around the world. Several informative programs are broadcasted through the radio or television. Moreover, they are also a great medium of entertainment. The internet has now become an integral tool of mass media. We get to know what is happening in the rest of the world at that very instant. Fact file. The first ISD call was made in the year 1914. Points to remember. The process of sending and receiving messages is called communication. We buy stamps, inland letters, postcards, stamped envelopes and aerograms from a post office. People can send messages immediately to the required destination through the fax machines. Mass media is used to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. Mass communication also enables mass learning.